If you're experiencing account sync issues with Rocket League, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you get your account synced properly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League website or their social media pages to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, account sync problems can arise from server outages. Step 2. Log out of all accounts. Log out of your Rocket League account on all platforms. This includes Steam, Epic Games, PlayStation, and Xbox. Make sure to close the game completely before proceeding. Step 3. Clear cache. On your gaming platform, clear the cache to remove any temporary data that might be causing the sync issue. For consoles, this usually involves turning off the device, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. Step 4. Relink accounts. Go to the Rocket League account management page and relink your accounts. Follow the prompts to ensure that your accounts on different platforms are properly connected. Step 5. Restart the game. After relinking your accounts, restart Rocket League. Check if the sync issue has been resolved by logging in and verifying that your account data is correctly displayed. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Rocket League support for further assistance.